back. I feel like when you see crypto markets bouncing back, like every single 5 years, it really starts to get on your nerves. For example, we always saw crypto markets going up and forth and left and right. It really didn't make any sense. So again, if you guys want to get started on 2bit, deposit trading are up to 6,430. Deposit, and get XRP. Use the link in the description below. But with that ad over, let's talk about XRP 2.21. Like, looks nice, but is it? We're seeing all of these bounces only to see another further 30 cents down in a single day.
So we've got a Thanksgiving Day bounce. Actually, it started yesterday. Bitcoin, very, looking good. Very much up over 90,000, 91,000, up 4%. Ethereum up over 3,000. XRP climbing a little bit. BNB, Solana up 2 and almost 3% plus respectively. On the 24-hour, here's your top winners in the clubhouse. Caspa, EtherFi, Flare, Sky. You can see kind of up 15%. And on the other side of the coin, Zcash down 1%, a meme coin down 1%.
I mean, 30% down, that's gonna hurt though. 30%
there. KuCoin. So not a lot of downside risk. So looking pretty good as far as kind of the major alts all moving up nicely, as you can see. And I think we've got some things running in our favor. We've got quantitative tightening ending on December 1. On December 10th, we're going to get the Federal Reserve decision. And right now
the quantitative tightening is what's really going to help altcoins. I feel like retail investors are just not into XRP. Who's buying XRP right now is institutions. Those are the ones really buying.
Sitting at an 84% chance that we are going to get a Federal Reserve interest rate reduction, most likely a quarter basis point, 0.25 on that. And that's what the market is now expecting. Now, if that does not happen, then it is going to turn red in the markets pretty significantly, So again, just kind of making you aware of what we're seeing here and kind of what was playing out. It's good to see Bitcoin moving up. In fact, on the 24-hour at 91.2, 91.5.
This is what I like to see. It's just that one bear market, one bad cycle can destroy everything we built so far for XRP.
Right now at the top, that is pretty close to the high for the 24-hour. You can see that on of 91,000, basically 91.9. But the calls and the expectation is that we're going to see really kind of beginning in December this bull run starting. Okay, and it looks like
if it can hold above 100,000, we could be seeing another bull run. Yes,
83,000 for Bitcoin was our bottom for the market. As it bottomed out, and like $1.83 for XRP. We saw Ethereum drop below 3,000. All of that, and it looks like that might have been our bottom. And kind of looks like we're seeing some good things. So remember, December 1. Quantitative tightening from the Federal Reserve ends. That's going to be when the money printers essentially turn back on. We're going to see liquidity start to be injected back into the financial markets and a lot of other things, which ultimately will help the lowering of interest rates for people who are buying cars and homes and putting things on credit, things of that nature. And again, the money printers essentially turn back on, which is good for the economy.
This is like, which we should be seeing a huge rally in November, December, but we're unfortunately not seeing at all.
In fact, I kind of wanted to check this out. So I've got a new indicator that we layered on top of X1 Algo, my indicator suite, and it's called the X1 DCA accumulator. You can see there's the name of it right there. And you can see that it's
So yeah, extreme discount. I mean, yes, until it goes further down. This is the thing with algorithms. I love them. I'm not too sure if they work in the bear market, but if this is correct, we did see it pump up a bit. If you guys want, check out 2bit and start trading today. I'll keep you guys updated with more content on 2bit. If you guys don't know, I made a price prediction for XRP pretty much, and that's something that I will be explaining in another video I will post, so smash that like button.